So what I have here is a fully assembled, fully painted 25mm scale miniature. When I say 25mm, that's the scale that it's represented at. This one's 25mm. So fully assembled and painted, this guy's going to look like this. I will show you, step by step, how to make a metal miniature to look like that. How to prep it, how to clean it, and then how to prime it, paint it, base it, and add finishing details so you can get your miniatures looking the best you can. Here's what a miniature looks like just out of the packaging. As you can see, it's in pieces and you're going to have to assemble it yourself. So here's the base, and then here's the various different pieces. Some of them are still attached to their original molding like this that you'll actually have to separate. So the first step that we have in getting a miniature ready to paint is to cut it out of its various moldings. All these little spikes on this guy, I'm going to have to cut all these off individually. And then any other little point where the molding is still visible on the model. A lot of times at articulation points when it came out of the model, it'll have various little metal bits hanging off of it. You see that little bit sticking off right there? That is a mold piece from the original metal mold that this was cast from. So that will need to be cut off, usually with an X-Acto knife. So when we have a piece here like this, right, we're just going to have to cut off this little bit of excess right here, okay? So with the X-Acto knife, you just want to be very careful because it's very sharp. You just cut away like that. Okay? And so you're going to do that with all the pieces of molding you can find on this. So for like these guys, I'm going to have to cut these out individually. You always want to make sure you cut away from yourself as well, because these guys are very sharp. Yeah, just like that. So I can just take these little bits off. Like so. Yeah, the metal's soft enough to where if you just get a little bit of it taken off with a little bit cut into with the X-Acto knife, the rest of it will just come right off. But you want to be very careful, especially with a fresh blade like this, because this is a fresh blade. This will cut you pretty bad. So you want to be careful and always remember to cut away from yourself, not towards yourself, right?